Alright, we're going under this bridge, going to West Okoboji. This is where we just came from. Got our boat over there.
Stand up. Yeah.
Got the driver, John. What did it used to be called, Cory?
The wharf.
And now it's called the Okoboji Store. It's a nice restaurant, and you have all this to look out on. How are you enjoying yourself there, Robin? Yep. World's largest fish shack. Take a look at that flamingo. It's a gigantic floaty flamingo.
All right, as Tiana was saying, we're at Lake Okoboji and Cory is fishing. He's a fishing for fish. So this boat we rented here, where did we rent this from, Rob?
Boat Okoboji.
Boat Okoboji. Basically $500 for the day. Wow, that was quick.
It's a really nice bass. Yes, sir. Look at that. Well, he just ate that thing. Look at that bass.
Oh my gosh, that thing's huge.
That was quick. Wow, that's 4 pounds?
Yeah.
It's pretty big for only 4 pounds. 18 and a half inches?
Yep.
All right, got it. Swim fishy.
Oh, I don't like these waves.
Swim
What's
fishy.
going on with the waves?
So one thing we learned is when you rent a boat here, and I don't know if this is everywhere, make sure you have an anchor
If you're planning on fishing,
if you're fishing. Because we found out they don't allow anchors with their boats here, with this boat that we rented, because of insurance reasons or some nonsense.
Where was the campground?
So if you're renting a boat, make sure you can get an anchor, because you're going to need that, because we got out here and found out there wasn't
No, I
an
know
anchor.
that. But
And then we found out we couldn't get an anchor. So we're already on the water.
You know what? There's a rest.
Cory, wave!
Hi.
Wave! And go. This is cold. How cold? On a scale of 1 to 10. I would say like an 8. That's pretty cold. I feel like there's gonna be a shark in it.
We can only hope.
Oh my god, what is that? Stop!
Tiana Alexis.
There was a little white fishy swimming.
No, there wasn't.
Yeah, there was. Just a tiny little one. Ready, set.
Fine. I'm scared now. I'm scared.
Robin, it's fine.
You scared me.
Just do a cannonball.
No. Brandon scared me.
Robin, no, you have. Otherwise, you won't do it.
That's true.
God.
It's really cold.
You're what?
I choked myself.
Choking yourself. Yeah, go.
I'm scared. I'm scared. I'm scared. I'm scared. I'm scared. I'm scared. Okay. I'm scared.
Just do it.
It's just water.
It'll feel. How cold?
Grab, go.
It's so cold! Who's next? No one? No takers? Okay. Don't let go, Jack. Don't let go.
I'm trying to get out, but my fingers won't work.
Oh, wee wah, wee wah, wee wah. You're doing so good, Dad. Hi, guys. How are you enjoying fishing here?
Well, it'd be nice if I could catch more than the opening bass, but the first bass was good. About 4 pounds.
Okay. We got some yummy chicken salad and some Hawaiian rolls. And then we got some dill pickle chips and some dip, and we got drinks and snacks, which I've kind of flown around because I'm a pig. And yeah, it's a good day. Yeah, booey. I'm about to get bombarded. Where are you? Dad caught something.
Right behind his head.
No.
No, he's got little. These are gonna stick. Okay, these are gonna stick you. That's why I told you to get behind the head like this.
Okay.
Okay.
Are you recording, Brent?
Biting or sticking, it's the same thing to me.
That's okay, Dad. You caught it.
Ow!
Are you bleeding?
Yes! It stabbed me.
Just under 2 pounds.
2 pounds.
Pound and a half or 2 pounds. But that's a nice That's a nice drone though.
You gonna hold it, John?
No, it stabbed me.
Yeah, go ahead. You gotta hold
It
him down.
stabbed me!
Put your finger inside his mouth. Don't hesitate. Put your thumb inside his mouth
That is
and
literally
pinch really hard. Nope. Yep. I'll hold it out to the camera so it shows how big it is. Hold it out.
Taking way too long.
I know, sorry.
He has teeth.
Oh yeah.
Oh yeah.
Although this is not a real big one, so.
Do you need help or you got it?
I got it.
Smile at the camera for two.
Well, there is. Do you see him?
2 turtles.
Zoom in, Brittany. You want me to do it? Or you got it?
I don't, oh, I see.
You can look through the eyepiece too, if that helps. Does it turn the eyepiece?
So cute.
John, we've been out here fishing 3 different species.
I can't even see him.
fish and 3 different species.
I can't see him.
She said she would maybe, if you don't go Saturday morning, she may go with me Saturday morning, but you know Robin's not going to be getting up that early.
Why would I do something that weird?
Right.
So
we're here at the Okoboji Store. What was this drink that I bought? It's got cucumber vodka and cucumber lemonade. Summer Smash. That's the ahi tuna tacos, and they look amazing.
We have enough.
Amazing.
This is
And I got the mac and cheese. It's got truffle oil. What did you get, Robin?
The
Okoboji Poke Bowl.
Poke bowl.
With a poke.
And you got fish and chips.
Which is a ripoff.
no.
They only give me 5 of these things.
You got fish and shrimp. She got shrimp.
Yeah, but
You got fish and chips. She
they're
got
not very big.
All right, so it wasn't my favorite mac and cheese, but it was all right. I had to add some sriracha to it. It wasn't very spicy, even though it had Alvarez. Britton really liked the tacos, though, the ahi tuna tacos.
No, not down there.
Corey,
Patio place, Brent.
What?
you liked it?
Yeah, I've had it before.
Oh,
I like it. It's a little expensive, but it's what you get in a tourist town, especially a tourist town in Iowa.
Or at El Sombrero.
See them all the way along there. See that?
are they that big?
Oh yeah, carp are huge. But it tastes like crab, but see them all? Man, I can't believe how many there are.
That's an insulated wire right there, isn't it?
Oh, look at this. Look at this floating carp. Look at these carp over here. Yeah. Look at those big boys. Those are called hush puppies right there. Dead one up there.